What are the field tests on cement? 1. Adulteration test. Take a pinch of cement and feel or rub between the fingers. It should give a smooth feeling and not a gritty feeling. 2. Color of cement. Open the bag and take a look at the cement. The color of the cement should be greenish gray and it should be uniform in color. 3. Float test. Take a sample of cement from the bag and throw it in a bucket full of water. It should float for some time before it sinks. 4. Presence of lumps. Open the bag and take a look at the cement. There should not be any visible lumps. Thrust your hand into the cement bag. There should not be any lumps inside. Any bag contains such lumps, it should be rejected. 5. Temperature test. When you insert your hand in bag of cement, it should give you cool feeling. 6. Year of packing. It is important to check the manufacturing date of the cement. Generally, the cement should be used before 19 days from the date of manufacturing. 7. Setting time. A thick paste of cement with water is made on a piece of glass plate and it kept under water for 24 hours. It should set and not crack. 8. Strength test. The strength of cement can be roughly ascertained in the following ways. Briquettes with a lean mortar or weak mortar are made. The size of briquette may be about 75 mm by 25 mm by 12 mm. The proportion of cement and sand may be 1:6. The briquettes are immersed in water for a period of 3 days. If cement of sound quality, such briquettes will not be broken easily and it will be difficult to convert them into powder form. These are the tests on cement that you can do inside to check the quality.